Here I have REDMI Note 20 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to scroll down, go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, switch to the vision section, and then go to the TalkBack. So here you can enable use TalkBack. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts. To enable it, I have to turn volume up.
TalkBack has been updated. Tap to find out more. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So, as you could hear, TalkBack mode is made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems which have difficulties like seeing text on the screen. No, please, just don't talk anymore. And so like it works the way that it speaks out loud the text on your screen where you tap on it. For example, you tap on the close button and it will be spoken out loud that
accessibility volume close button. Double tap to activate.
So when you're in this mode, to activate, like to perform any action, you have to firstly tap on it, then it will be spoken out loud, and then you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, just like this. Close, double tap. Use TalkBack, double tap. Stop. Yes. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.